Yo, what up? SC Factory in the Hizzle. We are on the way to my friend's place. We're going to do some testing and tuning before Black Friday. I'm obviously not going to be driving all 3 days. It's just too expensive, and plus there's going to be a bunch of like pro drivers out there and stuff. So I'm not really trying to be in with all that. I'm hoping by Sunday there will be like everybody will be worn out and burn through their tires, and I'll just get a lot of seat time. But also I don't have the money for the full 3 days, so we're gonna be tuning the car today, and just making sure everything's straight for Black Friday. I'll probably be spectating, and yeah, I just want to check out the track. It's my first time specifically at this street spot, so I'm gonna be making sure the roads are nice and seeing how hard I'm going to be able to go in the paint. So it should be pretty fun. Hopefully nothing happens to the car. But I've never had issues with my SC before, so this thing's a tank. And yeah, hopefully it winds up being really fun. Alright, we almost there. The S14. Just had to roll up the windows real quick. Some freaking asshole wouldn't let me over. I was like, dude, you serious? Alright, this is just driving around. I'm gonna check it out. Hit a couple turns, see where the potholes are. Damn, that's a big pothole. See how you can kind of like monitor this. Serious potholes. Just gonna feel it out. I mean, I'm not really used to this, but this is pretty dope. I'm trying to use my e-brake more because I feel like it's a little bit more reliable. Brake and e-brake, otherwise this thing's blocking up, like that ain't cutting it. Let me see if this is safe again, because this one like had a pothole, I remember. Yeah, right there. It's like, dude, my tire's gonna wind up right in that fucking pothole. But like the rest of the turn is good. basically made it home. My exhaust popped off, so my SC sounds like a truck now. And I had to take my side skirt off. I think one of the V-bands got messed up. I look like the only thing that got damaged was the V-band. So it's not a big deal. I'm gonna have to either replace it or just run it like that. I'm gonna see if I can get it to seal. The alignment is still fine. I think I hit one or two like potholes or some like random stuff, but alignment seemed okay. Man, that's definitely not an easy place to drift. There's just really no room for error. I mean, I was like trying to go super soft, like use the e-brake for everything and like tiny little clutch kicks, and it was fun, but like I didn't have the speed to like link everything together. And especially because it was raining, and man, it was slippery as hell. So, you know, I was trying to add a little bit of speed, but it was very difficult to gauge, especially with the roads being wet. So it was definitely, I mean, I'm not upset that I went off the track. I kind of figured it was gonna happen, but the car's running great. I mean, it ran amazing on the highway. I got a chance to finish tuning my friend's car, so his car's running good for Black Friday, and then I did a little bit of tuning on mine. So everything, all in all, I mean, I guess it wasn't bad. I mean, I do feel a little disappointed that I just like didn't fold them. You know, you like, gotta know when to hold them and when to fold them. I feel like I should have folded them, because I was coming in hot, and it was just slippery, and I'm not running like super sticky tires or anything. And I dropped the PSI a little bit, didn't really help. So, but I really was having a lot of fun too. So, I don't know if I'm gonna go back. I mean, it kind of depends, like, we'll see what happens. But I had a great time, and I learned a lot, especially for that specific area. And, you know, everybody talks about it. I wanted my own personal experience with it. So, I'm happy I went. I'm happy I drove. I got a learning experience. Got to help my friend with his car. But now I'm kind of just like, what's it like in the dry? But it's gonna be the same thing. Like, you just have very little room for error. But it was fun. Until next time, guys. Peace out. And